When ordering a Solid Step 4.0, you will need to take a few measurements to ensure you select the correct configuration for your application. First, make sure the unit is leveled and on level ground so your measurements are as accurate as possible. Measure the height of the door threshold from the inside floor of the unit. If the threshold height is not between 5/8 and 3/4 of an inch, the door may not close properly and modifications may need to be made. To determine the proper width, measure the width of the door frame at the base and round up to the nearest inch. This measurement corresponds to the solid step width that you should purchase. To determine the correct step configuration and number of steps required, measure the distance from the door threshold to the ground. This measurement will determine how many steps are needed for safe entry and exit from the trailer. Based on the measurements we collected and our sizing chart, this unit will require a 29-inch wide step. Since there is a 33-inch difference between the threshold height and the ground, the chart specifies a triple step variant of the solid step will be needed.